must specify which front panel or block diagram objects to apply a shortcut menu plugin to. In this video, we will learn the steps which we need to specify the objects that the shortcut plugin menu affects. But first we need to generate the files that we need to create a shortcut menu plugin, and to do that we will use a utility provided by LabVIEW. To find that utility, let's go to program files, then National Instruments, then the LabVIEW version that we are using, then resource, then plugins, then the pop-up menus, and inside that is this VI called Create Shortcut Menu Plugin from Template. Double click it to launch it. When it loads, let's specify a name for our plugin, whether the plugin is added time, panel or diagram, or runtime diagram only. We will leave it to added time, panel or diagram. The third option is to open the plugin VIs after creation. We will check it to specify that that is what we want. So let's run the VI, and it is now opening these front panels that we need for plugin. So in this video we will be working with this control type def. That the utility generated. We can edit the affected items control, which contains the objects or refnum types that the shortcut menu plugin affects. Initially, the affected items control contains an array of the GObject refnum type. As you can see in the properties here, which means that the plugin appears in the shortcut menu of any GObject refnum. We can edit the affected items control in the following three ways. Number one, we can add an object by adding an array of a refnum type in this control, in this cluster. Second way is to remove an object by deleting an array. And third is to choose a different object by right-clicking an object and select VI server class, then going to the generic hierarchy. From there we can select something that we would like to work with. Let's choose the diginum refnum. To identify the refnum types of an object, we can use the lookup all shortcut menu tags and types plugin that LabVIEW provides, but you have to install it and activate it in your system. By default it is not activated, and in a later video I will explain how you can do that. If we click on it, then it shows that these are the objects on which this right click menu will plugin will be activated. So after making the changes, we can go to the file menu, and then we can then choose apply changes to apply the changes and propagate the changes to the plugin VIs that use the type definition. And again from the file menu we can click save to save the changes to the type definition.